The Places principle is about ensuring that all schemes provide identity, both in terms of the built and natural environment, enhancing and enriching our ecosystems, but ensuring that for communities, this is about the social and environmental specificity of place. I've chosen a place in central London as my case study because I really wanted to talk about the multiple layers rather than just one piece of infrastructure. The place I've chosen is the Victoria Embankment. So this place has been a place of extraordinary design and innovation to meet the needs of many generations. The infrastructure that came was partly about building a sewerage system. So it opened in 1865 and Basil Jett was the chief engineer. He designed this extraordinary sewerage system. It wasn't simply about that, it was taking back this marshland. It was actually building a cut and cover for the new London Underground, for the District Line, and on the surface it was creating these beautiful parks and incredible civic amenity for all citizens of London. The site today, this place, is a very dynamic place. We've got Tideway coming, and this incredible now 21st century sewage system will mean that we've got a clean river for the first time in over 100 years, 200 years.
Like the embankments and Basil Jett's scheme, Tideway is a scheme that's designed to stop raw sewage flowing into the River Thames. A third of our sites are actually projecting out into that river, and Tideway knew it had an enormous opportunity there to create really lovely public realm, places for people to sit, places for them to enjoy that environment, on top of this huge infrastructure project that sits below.
I think anybody involved in our national infrastructure in the 21st century needs to think about the environmental and the built material aspects of the specificity of place and do it with the same ambition that Basil Jett and all of those incredible engineers and designers did in terms of creating something that we're really proud of as a nation and that is going to be long-term, that we're not going to be ripping it out and replacing it. It's long-termism because of the quality and the generosity of that thinking.